Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Good? Okay, now we will learn about passive voice. I'm sure all of you ever heard about this passive voice. Do you know how to use passive voice? Okay, passive voice is used when you want to emphasize only on the action verb or the verb and the object, but not the subject. It means action is more important than the subject, and then the subject is a noun. It means the doer is not known, and then even if the subject is known, it put at the end. So when the doer is already known, it will at the end of the sentence. Okay, here I have examples. The first, SMA Cendekia was built in 2008. SMA Cendekia dibangun pada tahun 2008. The second one, the motorcycle is washed. Sepeda motornya dicuci. The third, look at the third example here. It is different from the first and the second. The lesson has been explained by the teacher. Pelajarannya telah dijelaskan oleh guru. Okay, pay attention to the first and the second examples. They didn't have any doer here. There are no subject here. So, only the action is emphasis. But the third, you have already known the doer. It is the teacher. How to make a passive voice? Look at the structure here. When you want to change active voice into passive voice, please first of all identify what kind of sentence is that. I mean, what kind of tenses that is used by the sentence. Okay, look at this one. Someone washes the motorcycle. Washes shows the activity in the present. So, this sentence called present simple. Now, we will identify the subject, the verb, and the motor and the object. I'm so sorry. The subject is someone. Washes is the verb, and then the motorcycle is the object. When you want to change this active voice into passive voice, so please put the object at the first. So the motorcycle in the active voice become the object, but when it changes into passive voice, it will become the subject, the motorcycle, here at the first. And then the verb will change into past participle. But don't forget to add the to be, because this is verb 1, so the to be should be in the form of the first. Because it is motorcycle, so the verb is. And then here are how to form passive voice. The key is that you must know, you must understand, you must memorize the pattern of each tenses. If you have already know about the tenses, it is so easy to change the active sentence into the passive form. You just add to be and change the verb into past participle. Okay, the rules. But before the rules, we can look at the forming here. And then we change to the rules. First of all, you must identify the subject, the verb, and the object of the sentence. After that, change the object into the subject. If you have changed the object into the subject, put suitable helping verb or auxiliary verb. It means the to be. And then change the verb into the past participle form. After that, if the subject is known, you can add by before the subject. And then change the subject into the object. Example of scientific text that using passive voice. Here, I will give you the example of scientific text. It is explanation text. Tsunami. Okay, look at the introduction. Read the sentence here. How tsunami are formed. It is the passive voice. How tsunami are formed. It is the example of passive voice. Okay, you can read it. This one too. You can read by yourself. Understand the text and then understand the use of the passive voice. Okay, now after you read the text, I have an assignment for you. Please find some possessive voice in the text. Write them down in the comment column. And if you have a question, just write down in the comment column too. Okay. Thank you for joining. See you everybody. Bye-bye.